I'm excited to announce that manual backups are now available for WordPress. We're announcing this new feature so that you can have greater control over your website's data, ensuring its security and stability of your WordPress sites. So let's go ahead and get into the training. You're going to want to be on the sub account level. Once you're on the sub account level, on the left-hand side, you're just going to scroll down to sites. So we'll click on sites. Once you've clicked on sites, then you can scroll up to the top. And next to blogs, you'll see WordPress. We're going to click on WordPress, and then you'll have a series of options in the drop-down menu. We're going to scroll down to backup, and this will allow us to do the manual backup and restore options. So once you click on backup, you're going to see that we automatically create backups for your site every day. These backups are stored for 3 days. So you can see that we have 3 days worth of backups here. However, you can also manually back up your website as well. This actually provides an additional layer of data protection and flexibility. So what you're going to do is scroll over to the right, and you're going to click on Backup Now. The great thing about this feature is that you can actually name your backup something very specific so that you know what you were doing this manual backup for, and you can back up the files and the database. You're just going to type in the name of the backup, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Create Backup. So you can see here that I've named it Manual Backup, and I'll go ahead and create that backup. And you'll see that the manual backup is in progress. At the top here, there's going to be a progress bar that's currently set to 0%. And this will continue to progress over time. Okay, so you can now see that that manual backup, I actually named it Manual Backup, is actually completed. And you'll also see an option here to restore the version if you need to restore back. So this is an incredible feature for WordPress, and this will ensure the safety and accessibility of your information, any data that you're in control of, so that you're not at risk of losing that actual data. You'll have peace of mind with this amazing new feature on our WordPress hosting dashboard.